Twist it on me, twist it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Twist it. Twist it.
A 6'3" quarterback from Santa Clarita, California. Number 3 runs.
Here's a handoff right up the middle. Drake Clark had a big avenue and into the end zone. Touchdown, Tigers, 6-0 Memphis. They send a man in motion. Here's the snap himself to throw under pressure. It's picked off. Intercepted, flag down on the field at the 50-yard line. And here's the throw over the middle, caught, makes a man miss, 25, 20, now it's a foot race, 10, 5, touchdown, Tigers! That's Taj Washington, another home run by Washington, and the Tigers lead at 13-0. He gets it away, it's returnable. Here's Austin at the 36, left side 40, he's into the 50, he's cutting to the middle 40, he may go all the way, 30, 20, he's open, he's free, he's in, touchdown Tigers. Calvin Austin himself wants to throw. He's going to dump it underneath, and it's picked off at the 40 to the 35. The big man is going to get stopped about the 32.
And all the celebration on the sideline
He's
that
got
Jarvis
the bill.
just talked about with John Cartwright.
Here's the snap, and it's an RPO, and it's a give up the middle, and there's room. 30, 20, on his way, Tim Taylor into the end zone. Touchdown, Tigers. What a run, over 40 yards. The kid from East gets pay dirt.